Hello guys, welcome back to Techie YouTube channel. Today we are going to shoot some slow-mo videos from OnePlus Nord and show you some clips of it. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, I think the video was helpful to you guys. All these videos were shot by OnePlus Nord, and these experimental videos were shot on my OnePlus Nord itself. I have an experimental channel. I'll mention the link in the description. You can go and check out my channel also. So guys, if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe it, and thanks for watching.